got baby wipes on deck because we're going to have some messy hands. And
Let's see.
I got my Sunny D.
I need one of these contraptions. I need one of these contraptions.
It was only like $18. Oh, I like this view.
What else we got? We got wine. Cheers.
Cheers to our
First
Mook-Bong.
Mook-Bong
Our
slash
first
mukbang.
slash mukbang.
Because that's what it is. And we have the bottle. In case we get a little low.
We gonna need that. And
We have lemons.
we got king crab legs.
You need a thumbnail.
Oh, a thumbnail.
Ooh, be lovelies.
We got
Greens, beans, potatoes, tomatoes. Chicken, turkey. You name it.
We
Oh,
got
these scallops and
scallops.
shrimp. They're probably about cold. No, it's still pretty warm.
we got shrimps,
We got potatoes.
corn,
We got snow crab legs. And we got sauce. Too much sauce.
too much sauce.
All right.
Too much sauce.
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right.
You gonna say our grace?
Yes, we are. You're going to bless the food.
Okay. Dear Lord, we thank you for this food that we are about to receive for the nourishment of our bodies, and amen.
Amen.
Let's
I don't know what to
get
get
it
first.
poppin'.
Oh, we also have scissors too.
Oh yeah,
to get up in this
Let me
thing.
get mine.
Oh my God, I've been waiting for this all week.
I'm about to get into. I'm gonna try the snow crab first. The snow crab.
I want the king crab. This is what I've been waiting for, hunty.
So y'all, we are gonna do. Should we do monthly mukbangs?
At least monthly.
At least monthly.
Let's commit to once a month.
Once a month. Mook-Bong.
Oh my God.
You ain't put it in the sauce.
I know. I know.
What did you just eat?
Mm-hmm.
It's meat right there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, girl.
Girl, I don't know.
Have you ever had crabs?
I don't.
You had crabs, girl.
I
Tell us about it.
had crab legs. I ain't had that other stuff. Let's try it in the sauce.
Girl.
In the sauce.
Mm. You probably got all oil. You gotta stir it.
I got a little bit of seasoning.
These scissors probably, the crab leg probably gonna break
Man,
these scissors.
The crab leg gonna laugh at.
We got these scissors from the Dollar
The crab
Tree.
leg gonna laugh at them scissors.
Girl, I'm not trying to break my teeth on these crab legs. Yeah, these scissors are not worth a cuss.
So we're gonna try to do these monthly.
Yeah.
We're gonna try to have a theme with them each time. So it's always gonna be a mukbang, girl talk.
Mook-Bong.
Whatever. Girl talk. Or girls night. Not girl talk, girls night.
Oh my gosh, I need. I'm so mad.
They not
We
cutting?
should have no. And it's so spiky, it hurts. I never had king crab. I didn't expect these problems.
Let me get me a wipe.
I'm gonna get a knife or something. I'm sorry, but I need this.
Get the kitchen shears. Where they at? They right here.
You got them?
Mm-hmm.
This is what's gonna do it.
Oh, like yours is like close up. But it's cool. I'm gonna try one of these potatoes. Oh, I didn't put it with the lemon on it.
Oh what? Oh yeah.
Crab leg.
You ate a crab leg already?
I ate a
missed
snow
that.
crab. Ooh,
Goodness.
she make it look so.
She
easy.
does. She gets it cracking.
Y'all, we watching B-Love
Ouch.
her Seafood Boil
Girl, my
Mukbang.
hand's gonna be toe up. I'm hungry. Come on now. Work
Right.
with me. Work with me. Alright. I think we in there this time.
You got it.
It hurts. Ow!
Ooh.
I got some shell down my shirt. Okay.
Let me try one of these potatoes.
Yeah, tell me how those taste.
Got red skin potatoes.
Organic.
Organic.
We fancy. We went to Whole Foods. We had to go to Whole Foods.
I got that seasoning on there this time.
How is it?
Excellent.
Excellent. Okay, I can't get the whole thing out. And I'm hungry, so
I ain't put no lemon
this is what
on
we're
there.
going to do.
Ooh. Ooh, girl.
Ooh, girl, let me try this lemon. It's good with lemon? For real? Let me try it with the sauce and the lemon. Ooh. Oh, girl, yeah, the lemon. Oh, yeah, she's on something. This corn is good.
This is good.
Oh, let me try a scallop.
Squeeze the lemon, squeeze the lemon.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I'm slipping. Slipping on my pimping.
Now I understand them faces,
Girl, yeah, that lemon. Wow.
It might be seafood every single time, y'all.
Yes, yes, and I'm not mad.
Baby white.
Girl, I'm eating like I never had food before.
You hear that slurp? No.
I flirt. You don't even notice when you're doing that.
Let me try this scallop real quick. With my lemon.
It's so good.
Yo, we got so many lemons.
It's so good. Girl, we're going to have to double the budget next time. I feel like I'm about to take all of this down.
I am too. Ooh. Ooh. Sorry. It's all coming down my chin.
After this, we got a little saucy game. Well, I hope it's saucy.
Are we gonna do it after or during?
Oh yeah, we can do it. We can do it during. Let me top my stomach off a little bit. I'm feeling a little empty. Did I eat a shrimp? Yeah, I think I did. I gave you most of the shrimp and the scallops because I really don't want those. I want this crab, honey.
The scallops are just okay. I don't know if they should have been cooked longer or what.
That's what I'm saying. I like scallops like hibachi.
Yeah.
But
she just made them look so good. I'm just like, we gotta get them.
Girl, she made everything look good. Shouts out to you.
Be love.
'Cause this is way overdue. Girl, I'm mad at this straw. It just played me.
Did it? Mine been coming up.
Because you got that Sunny D.
Sunny D never fails.
Ew.
She got the Gold Peak Peach Tea. I want another potato. What do I want next?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Let me try this corn.
I'm about to cut. Dang, it's been 10 minutes already. Rolling.
Y'all, look at my chin, y'all, and I don't give up.
Ooh. I'm not trying to be funny, but I'm low key starting to get full.
I'm not.
You not?
Mm-mm. I ain't eating. All I have was some baby hots, of course.
Get your life.
That's all I had.
I had 2 pulled pork sandwiches for lunch.
2?
2. And they make some pulled pork. And he sent it with me. And he only sent 2 slices of bread. I had to go upstairs to our little shop and get 2 more slices to make another sandwich. It was so good. Because I have to eat.
Was I feeling sick?
Yes. Man, I low-key wish I had more corn.
I could make the other one.
Right. No next time. I'm a sides girl. I like sides. Was this ginger?
Let me look at this one. It ain't going nowhere.
But all over.
Oh well, y'all. I ain't gonna worry about it.
Oh my god, I'm starting to get full.
You can't get full yet.
Oh, it's happening. Oh. And I'm starting to get wavy off of this wing. So, I'm about to get the game popping since I'm getting full. The game is
5 seconds.
for 5 seconds. A while. All right. So, CC, how the game goes is
Let's split it.
yeah, we're gonna
Oh yeah, keep right there.
pick a card, and it's supposed to be 3 players or more, but obviously it's 2 of us. Well, Polo counts as 1. We got 3 players, but he not playing. He's
He
security.
decided he don't want to play today.
He's security. So, basically you pick a card and you pick it first and you read it off, and all of them are the same. So you have to name 3 of whatever is on the card.
I do or you do?
I do.
Okay.
Whoever picks the card, that's when wait. That's when you flip it over. As soon as you read the card, flip it over, flip this over.
Oh, okay.
And you're supposed to answer it with, I'm bad at explaining stuff. You're supposed to answer the question within 5 seconds. So when the ball drops, you're supposed to answer, girl, it's all down your arm. Where? This arm.
Oh, damn.
Polo like, I'm catching them drips.
Right.
So you name the 3 things within 5 seconds, and whoever does it, you get a point. So we're just gonna keep bouncing back and forth because we need something fun to do. So that's what we gonna do.
All right, let me wipe my hands.
Y'all, I think I'm full.
You can't be, not yet.
I need to try the slow crab though. All right, I'm ready whenever you are.
All right.
And flip it when you're done. Flip the timer.
I'm gonna do this one.
No, I have to say it. I have to.
You have to say it.
Yeah, you're reading it, but I have to answer it.
Right. That's what I mean.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the other side right there.
But make sure you flip that.
Oh, okay. After I read it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Name 3 telltale signs of the walk of shame.
Same clothes, stank breath, throw up. Did it?
Girl.
This thing was going off the whole time in the store. Okay. Oh, there you
Same
go.
clothes, stank breath, and throw up. Okay. That's walk of shame.
Yeah.
I got, girl, where you been? They played me on this one. This one got nothing in it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Played yourself. All right. So.
These hurt. I need gloves. Ooh.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Can't get it.
Uses for lubricant.
Coconut oil. Pure romance.
Uses for lubricant, not lubricants.
I use coconut oil.
Nobody asked you what you use. What do you use lubricants for?
Oh, uses. I thought you meant like uses for lubricant. Uses.
What? What?
Uses for lubricant.
Next card. What are you talking about?
Like what
You
use
said
for
I
lubricant?
use. No. What do you use lubricant for? Not types of lubricant.
Uses for lubricant. I feel like it can go both the same way.
You got it. You got it.
Okay.
Ooh, let me get into this. I know I can do these. I'm used to this. Ow. Ow. Ew.
Name 3 colors your poop could be.
Green, yellow, brown.
You got it. All the colors
Baby
are babies.
poop.
Right, baby poop.
Baby poop.
Where my lemon at?
Mom. Ew, I can't believe babies poop yellow. That was the weirdest thing.
Mm-mm.
Like actual mustard. Ooh, girl. This crap.
Well, Mook-Bong.
AKA mukbang.
Mukbang. We ain't gonna let go.
I'm not. I'm a realist.
Not gonna be happy, but I feel like I'm gonna have to heat up some of these scallops some more for him.
Yeah, well, you don't want them chewy. That's what I kept reading.
But they more like sushi-ish.
Really?
That's what they taste like. Not to you?
I don't remember.
Taste another one.
I don't want to.
I don't even want to eat this little piece of meat.
Yeah, like, I'm done. It's a whole piece, though.
This don't look like no This look like you better turn your ass around and leave me alone with that lump.
You better back to sleep.
Back to sleep.
Speaking of that,
Little gummy worm. I don't even want.
Alright. Name body parts men fixate on.
Breast, butt, eyes, thighs.
Good. That's good.
Alright. Let's see.
Eyes, breast, butt, eyes. Highlight.
Name 3 places you shouldn't get a tattoo.
Your ass, your neck, your lip.
I bet Lil Wayne got a tattoo on his lip.
I think he does.
That's so weird. Oh, he does? He got it on the inside of his lip?
Yeah. I would consider it. Maybe like a comma.
A comma?
Something real dumb. Because it's a dumb spot.
Maybe the m-uck.
I would want something that just doesn't take a long time. It's just a.
I don't want nothing right there. Have you ever had a sore? Like, have you bit your gum and had to live with that sore?
Yeah.
That's a horrible pain.
It hurts so bad that, like, when the pain goes away, you have to remind yourself that.
Yeah.
Like, I just went through all of that.
Yeah, like you can eat now. Eat right now.
Right. Oh, it doesn't sting. I'm good.
Sunny D on deck.
This is just the behind the scenes.